Welcome to imToken, the best companion to help you manage your digital assets.
NFT is one of the most exciting and fast-growing areas of the crypto world. In 2021, Beeple, a digital artist, sold his work every day, the first 5,000 days for $69.34 million, a hefty price that made NFT go viral. In this video, we'll introduce the concept of NFT and how to manage your NFTs with imToken. What is an NFT? NFT is short for Non-Fungible Token. Unlike Bitcoin, which is a fungible token and can be interchanged, each NFT is unique, irreplaceable, and indivisible. Just like all tennis balls are the same within their brand, they have the same price and the same shape. But when one of the tennis balls is signed by Roger Federer, it becomes a unique collectible. How to buy an NFT? Let's pick the Arbitrum wallet in imToken to see how to buy an NFT. Open the Arbitrum wallet, switch to the browser page, and enter OpenSea in the search box. OpenSea is a popular NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs. Once your imToken wallet is successfully connected to OpenSea, find an NFT collection you like and pick one NFT. Click Add Cart. View cart and confirm your payment. How to manage your NFTs. The NFT page of Arbitrum Wallet will show you all the NFT collections you have. Click the NFT image. You can view the basic information and transaction history of each NFT item. Click Send to enter the transfer page. You can send NFTs to others. Click Trade. The most popular NFT marketplaces will pop up. Choose one that's best for your needs to trade NFTs. Want to learn more about imToken and get started to explore the crypto world? Go to token.ime.